Hello, my name is Pablo, and today I'll be showing on how to pixelate or censor people's faces or anything. Now, just to let you know, you can, if you're new to Vegas, I just want to let you know you can actually do this in other versions of Vegas, like the later versions, because I'm using Vegas Pro 15 and it just really works fine. So, today we're gonna talk about once again, and we're gonna talk about censoring people's faces or blurring them, of course. So, yeah. So I'm gonna drop this file over here to Vegas, and it will actually say, do you want to set your project video settings to match this video? Actually, if you're new to Vegas and this shows up and you didn't accept anything yet, I would like to let you know that please do not do this. Just keep saying no, because it can just like sometimes set like the default project ratio into like somewhat of a 4:3 ratio resolution, of course. So here we got the footage of Eli Soriano um saying gago, tanga, talantado, inútil. So what we have to do is simply, actually we need to first add another video track, and if it's like a 4:3 ratio and you want it to a 16:9, just a fact, you can actually, okay, you can actually just uncheck maintain aspect ratio, and this is kind of and yeah, you have like a 16:9 ratio project, but we won't do that in this video since this is just a tutorial. So yeah, so first, since the current video track that we have here is somewhat binded with the audio track, what we need to do is make sure to select the video and just press CTRL-U, okay, and then just a tip actually, select the clip and hold control, then drag it above or anywhere. Actually, this will actually copy, okay, just to let you know that it can be used in any way actually. So we got our second track.
Gago! Tanga! Inutil! Tarantado!
So yeah, we got our track there. So what we need to do, so what are we gonna do is simply we're gonna actually oh wait, if you're new to Vegas, this is what you're gonna click. So this is like the keyframe thingy actually. This is the event and pan and crop actually. Then what you need to do is make sure you select the masking area at first. Then it will really depend on what you're gonna do. You can just actually use the rectangle or square mask, or like the oval or circle mask. That will really depend on your decision, but I will be covering his whole head. So of course, make sure that the cursor is synced or this thing is enabled. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide this to a few frames and make sure that in each frame the circle follows the center of the face, or that will really depend, okay, as long as the face or the head or anything that you censor is actually being censored or being covered by the mask. So yeah. Okay, this is gonna take a bit. Yeah. If it's like a longer video or clip, it will be a bit harder, you know, just to let you know. Yeah. So we just need to add a keyframe at the last frame of the video. So as you can see, nothing has changed yet. Nothing has literally changed, and yeah, so make sure to select video effects over here. Then what you're gonna do is simply you need to go to you need to go to Gaussian blur or Pixelate. Now I'm gonna show like the Gaussian blur first because this is like a bit of an easy thing. So you can select anything, but I'm gonna use medium blur because sometimes extreme blur can like show a bit of the face of like the previous video track. So make sure to select this actually, this track that we added masking keyframes. Then you drag this to this track, and then that will surely censor like the face. So
Gago! Tanga! Inutil! Tarantado!
there we have it. We have censored an object, moving object of course, in a video. But there are other ways, of course. By the way, if you're new in Vegas, this is how you can remove it. Like just remove the plugin, stuff like that. Yeah, just over here, like in the video FX over here, you just search for like Pixelate, and then okay, so it's over here now. Just drag it to this track once again, and then what you have to do is just kind of move it a bit or something like that. As long as it kind of just blurs the shit out of this fucking goddamn face, and then there we go. We have a pixelated face, but there some of the details of the face can still be seen. So yeah, you can just like change the settings, whatever you want it, as long as it doesn't get worse. So yeah, this should be good. And then there we go, we have our pixelated and not blurred moving object in the video.
Gago! Tanga! Inutil! Tarantado!
So that's really simply it. And by the way, if you're new to Vegas, just a tip, if you do have like an integrated graphics card like me, make sure to select Intel QSV like when you render, like over here, or just anything that it doesn't like use the main CPU, because it will really take a lot of time, and it will save you time if you will use your graphics card to render this. So yeah, I'm just gonna render this a bit just to use it for like the thumbnail, and yeah, we should be good. I'm just gonna actually just finish this up. So yeah, that's it. That's really simply it. So yeah, we're just gonna close this because we're already done. And yeah, guys, that's really simply it. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video and if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. It will really mean a lot. And yeah, stay safe, and yeah, goodbye.